So we get in there and we switch it from multimetering to center weighted average. And that's going to focus on what's directly in the center of your screen. So if you're shooting portraits, you're shooting macro photography, you're in difficult to high contrast lighting situations, center weighted average will focus just mostly on the center. It'll take into consideration some of the surrounding area that's coming into the scene, but for the most part, straight down the middle, it'll give you a light reading and it'll say, hey, you're either good to go or you're not. So one of the cool things that'll happen with, let's say, a backlit subject in when you're shooting is the light coming in through the back is going to be a ton of light. That's going to be coming right towards your camera sensor. And your camera's going to be like, whoa, that's a lot of light. So it's going to want to stop down. It's going to want to come down to zero based on the brightest thing in the room if you're using multimetering, right? So you switch to center weighted average and you tell the camera to ignore the surrounding area. And your camera's like, all right, but that's really bright. And you're like, yeah, that's really bright, but I can't see my subject. And that's what center weighted average is going to get you. Sometimes you have to focus on the one spot that you want to be correctly exposed. You're going to sacrifice the rest of the scene depending on the situation.